Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve for an endpoint when you are given one endpoint and one midpoint. So basically, instead of given two endpoints and finding the midpoint, we're going to be given endpoint and midpoint and find the other endpoint. We have another video of this that goes over a shortcut method. However, we're going to go through the formula method through this process. So the first thing I would suggest doing is we're going to draw a number line. That way we can just kind of see where everything is at. Then I'm going to place some dots. We have one in the middle, one in the end. We have J, M, and whatever endpoint this is, we'll make it E for endpoint. We say J is 1, 4, and M is 2, 1. And E is we don't know. It's X and Y. Well, if we remember the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is the x value. Y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is the y value. And this is going to be equal to the midpoint. So this itself would be equal to our m. The x value will be equal to 2, and the y value will be equal to 1. Well, what do we know? We know that this is our x1 and our y1. This is our x2 and our y2. So it's super simple. We're just going to go straight into it. So I can go, well, x1 plus x2 over 2 is equal to 2. But remember, we can replace x1 with 1 and x2 with just x. So 1 plus x is over 2 is equal to 2. And we can set up the y as well, where we see y1 plus y2 over 2 is equal to the y value. And then we can replace y1 with 4 and y2 with just y because we labeled it as such. And this equation is thus true. So now we just do normal algebra to solve the rest of the problem. I will multiply both sides by my denominator. This will cancel the 2 on the left side. 1 plus x is equal to 4. We're going to subtract 1 to both sides. X value is equal to 3. Then we will solve for the y value. Same process. Multiply both sides by the denominator, which will then cancel the denominator. We'll end up with 4 plus y is equal to 1 times 2, which is 2. We'll subtract 4. 2 minus 4 is equal to -2. And that is our point. So we're going to write our final answer as our missing endpoint, or point E, is x value 3, y value -2. And that is how you solve for the endpoint using the midpoint formula. If you have any other questions, please just let me know. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day. Oh, yeah. And if you want another video, just send me an email or say something in the comments. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Bye.